Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make a classic coleslaw. You can call it 7-Up coleslaw. But this coleslaw is so creamy, simple and tasty. If you want to know how I make this coleslaw, stay tuned. Start by making the homemade dressing. I'll be using mayonnaise. This mayonnaise dressing is slightly sweet and creamy, so I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add a little black pepper. Add a teaspoon of onion powder. This is optional, you can use fresh onion. Using lime because I like the flavor and the taste of a lime. Squeeze in a little lemon juice, like a tablespoon is okay. Adding 2 tablespoons of 7-Up. You can use 7-Up, Sprite, sugar. Because I want this dressing to be creamy and sweet, trust me, adding 7-Up takes this coleslaw to another level. It's to combine. When I'm done mixing, we set aside and keep in the fridge. See the texture of my homemade dressing. Still creamy and not too thick. I have already washed my carrots. I'll be using a grater to grate the carrots. You can also use food processor. Done grating the carrot, I will set aside. Cut the cabbage into 2. I'll be using a grater to finely shred the cabbage. You can also use food processor or slice with knife. Shredding the cabbage, I will add all of them, both the carrots and the cabbage, into a bowl and toss to mix together. You can see how creamy the homemade dressing is. Pour the homemade dressing over the shredded carrot and cabbage. Then I will mix to coat evenly. This coleslaw is one recipe I mostly eat during summer. It is perfect last-minute side dish and goes well with grilled meat, chicken, jollof rice, or sandwich. Serve the coleslaw straight away or allow it to rest in the fridge for about an hour. You can see how creamy and easy this coleslaw is. This coleslaw will last longer in the fridge and still taste fresh. I hope you try out this recipe. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.